Sunday Boiler School. All right, tonight I want to talk about venting for high efficiency furnaces and boilers. So I just pulled this matrix off of the Navien just to give you an example of what it actually looks like and how to read it. So Navien allows you to go 2-inch up to 60 feet, which is 60 feet straight. So if you were to go put the Navien on the wall and pipe it 60 feet straight up through the roof, that would be acceptable. But we all know nothing is straight through the roof. So the maximum allowance of elbows is 6. And then over here, it gives you the actual equivalence. So each elbow is 8 linear feet. Each 45 is 4 linear feet. So if you use 6 elbows on your venting, you only have 12 feet of straight pipe to use. So you have to take this 8 times 6, you get 48. And then 60 minus 48 is 12. Same thing with the 3-inch. 150 feet of straight pipe, max elbows 8. And then your elbows for 3 inches, 5 linear feet. 45s are 3 linear feet. So if you use 8 elbows on 3-inch, you get 8 times 5 is 40. Then you can go 110 feet with 3-inch. So just be mindful of this. I see a lot of people using the max number of elbows and the max number of pipe. That's not how it works. So I also pulled this other matrix off a furnace installation manual. So for their 60,000 BTU furnace, you can go 2 or 2.5, and you can go 3. So this actually lays it out nice and easy for you. So if you use 4 elbows on a 60,000 BTU furnace, you can only go 40 feet. 80,000 is only 3-inch. 110,000, 115,000, only 3-inch. You cannot use 2-inch on these furnaces. So if you go and use the max number of pipe and the max number of elbows, you are putting extreme strain on your inducer motor. It cannot remove the flue gases, and you're going to run into a carbon monoxide situation, which is not good for you, and it's definitely not good for the customer. So be able to read your matrices, be able to understand it. If you have an issue, please call the manufacturer. They will help you, but these are pretty easy to actually understand and read, so make sure you do this. Also, if you are reducing from your 2 to 3-inch, you have to use a reducing coupling, not a bushing. Bushings are illegal for venting, so you have to reuse the reducing coupling, and it has to be on the vertical. If you are in the situation where you cannot use that reducing coupling on the vertical, they do make a fitting. It's called an eccentric reducing coupling. So it's flat on one side so the water can drain back to the unit. If you use a regular reducing coupling on the horizontal, that water will get trapped in the bell of the larger pipe and not drain back to the unit, and you will get an error code for the inducer, and it's not moving that air. So just be mindful of venting. We're dealing with, gas and carbon monoxide and flue gases, so just be careful, read the instructions, open the manual.